Hey everybody, welcome and voice crack. Jesus, really? Shaking off nerves, shaking off nerves. New setup. Let's do this. Record mode, record mode, record mode, record mode. Hey everybody, welcome welcome back to my channel. It is your girl J Ross, finally back with another video. Hey, and as you guys can tell by behind me, I'm also in a new setup as well. I took some time to set up and redo my whole office / studio recording space, and I'm really happy. And for those of you that were on my IG live, first of all, thank you for showing up. Y'all some real ones, my J crew, J fam. For those of you that weren't on that live, you missed out and you'll never see it. No, I'm playing. I do plan to showcase the room, show you guys from like beginning to end and all that good stuff, even my ribbon cutting ceremony because
I'm bougie. Why? Because I'm bougie.
If I'm not like this next time you guys see me, it's because I'm still adjusting to recording like this for the first time. This is actually the first time I'm sitting down and recording a full-fledged video. I've played around with what I want my setup to look like and everything, but you never know until you actually just start sitting down and shooting. One thing that I do want to say on this video as I'm coming back, shout out to my J crew, J fam member, Natalie. Natalie actually named this room. Every time she comments on a video, when I do a new video, it's like, come on in the makeup room, I see you, or something like that. So this room is actually called the makeup room, as you guys can see behind me. Well, you can't see because it's cut off, because I was actually trying to see how far out I should zoom so you can see the full thing, but at the same time I still want you guys to see what I'm doing with my look. So it is what it is. So Natalie, this is credit to you, all credit to you for sure. So yeah, that's all I really want to get into now. Like, I know you guys are like, we want to see the room, but you guys just gonna have to wait. I really just want to get back and film. And if you follow me on IG, which if you're not, first of all, disrespect that you made it this far and you don't follow me and you haven't subscribed, even if I haven't done anything yet. Speaking of subscribers, super huge shout out to everybody that got me over the 500 mark. I'm super excited. I hit it as I was on my hiatus of redoing everything, so I'm trying not to go through all the announcements and everything that I went in the IG live, but I'm super excited and thank you guys so much for getting me over 500 subscribers. Like, that's a milestone for me. Next one is, 1K. I'm hoping to hit that before the end of this year. So like I always say, bring your friends, your boos, your baes, your besties, all of them to this channel, because your girl J Ross has so many great things coming up, and I definitely want you guys along with me for the journey because y'all some real ones. I'm going to be trying out for the first time Beauty Bay's Midnight palette. This is a 42 color eyeshadow palette, and as you guys can tell by the packaging as well as these shades, it's going to be a blue and purple look. You know why? Because my hair is blue and purple. So we're going to jump into this because the palette is pretty big and we all know I am palette dropping prone. Go ahead and get into this because I'm not going to keep holding it up. And also, all of my brushes and everything are clean, so I literally prepped this whole setup with everything clean, everything fresh, everything brand new. And now I'm about to dirty them up because it's that time. One thing about me that has not changed is I'm still going to use my Fenty Amplifying Pro Filter Amplifying Eye Primer. If I can say it, I probably can't because I'm like, haven't used this in a while, so I don't even know how to say anything. All right, so I'm gonna take up this black shade called Hex, which is at the bottom row of the palette. This is my first time trying anything from Beauty Bay, so I've heard nothing but good things about their quality, and I'll be the judge for myself of how I like it. Actually spreading really nicely. Like, this is still, I did one dip per eye, but now this is still the same dip from the second eye, and I'm going back in and literally intensifying with no problem. I'm gonna take this shade called Denim. I was about to say Venom. That is not what the shade name is. It feels weird that like I've been gone for like 4 almost 5 months, and like I left with the blue look and I'm coming back with the blue look. Also, how have you guys been doing? Catch me up on you guys. Hope everybody is doing well. I really did miss you guys. I hope you guys missed me for sure. Thank you for everybody that was like keeping in contact with me through like this whole transition and whole time, like wondering where I was, making sure I was good. I'm not gonna turn this into a J talk, but at the same time, I feel like I should catch you guys up. So I literally was going to stop making videos. I am getting a little bit of fallout. Tap off my brush a little bit more. Completely, like I was going to say goodbye to makeup. I didn't want to do it anymore. I was just done. Like I just felt like nothing I was doing was going anywhere, and like nobody was really watching, even though like I know I have my real ones that watch every video that I do and like comment on everything that I post for Instagram, comment like whatever, and like you guys like are in my corner. It's just like I was just so in my head mentally, and it was just like, what is this for? And I just wanted to give up. I really did. And I was packing it up, ready to go, and then like I posted a video on Instagram, was like, I'm saying goodbye to my makeup room, and there were so many people in the comment of that video, like that reel or whatever, they were just like, what? Like seriously, are you leaving? And it was so many people that like I'm not used to messaging me or stuff like that, like commenting. Was like I really do love your content, and like I hope you really don't stop. Like I hope, you know, like if you take some time for you, that's fine, but please don't stop. Like you're very good at it. Like, you know, you give me inspiration, all that stuff. Me being back is thanks to you guys for sure, for keeping me encouraged and uplifted, and just, I don't know, it was just something different about just the new wave of people that came in when I was like at my lowest and was just ready to call it quits, that like gave me a breath of fresh air. I was just like, you know what? I'm gonna take some time for myself, and maybe if I redo my vibe, that would make me feel better. And once I started, I couldn't stop. I was trying to rush it at first. I was literally trying to have it done within like a couple weeks. But then once I took time to by little, I did a lot of, you know, building and DIYs and stuff. So that, I can't wait for you guys to see that. You guys will probably just see like a week of like DIYs and how I built my room and how I got to where I am now. So all that good stuff should be coming, as long as that's what you guys want. And I hope you guys would love to see a tour of my new layout as well, because I don't know, I just love it. I probably will show it anyway because I love it that much. I'm gonna take the shade called Mystic. Let's see how the shimmers work on a brush first. If not, you guys know I do love applying shimmers with my finger. Let's go finger. Using my fingers for shimmers has not failed me yet. So I'm using the tip of my finger to apply the shimmer, and then I'm using more of the back part of the, you know, before my knuckle to kind of like mix it in to give it a gradient, like to mix in some of the blue for the gradient part. It's like super basic, but it's super cool at the same time because it totally matches my hair. That is super cool. Ah, I still got it, at least with the eye look. We gonna see how the rest of the face turns out.
20 minutes later.
Okay, so clearly there were some mistakes that were made. I forgot which shades are my winter and non-winter shades. So, yay. So yeah, I know this is off. I know this is off. Y'all don't have to clock me in the comments. I know this is off. Let's just focus on the eye look. So we're gonna change Let Me Be Great, and we're gonna go ahead and finish off the eye look. I think I'm gonna keep it to denim on the lower lash line to top off the blue eyeliner. And then of course taking the black, which is called Hex, on the outer corner. I'm going for another shimmer, but I'm going for a different one than the one that is already on my lid. I am going for the shimmer called Gleam. And for those of you that are new to my channel, my inner corner is trifling, okay? Something that's telling me not to do it, but also Jay, like my mindset of Jay is like, do it because you're already random. I'm going to take the shade called Jellies, which is this pretty eyeshadow. And y'all gonna leave me alone when y'all see what I'm doing. Jay is not new to the eyeshadow as highlight, okay? Jay is not new to this. I am going to lightly tap on the shade Mystic, which is the one that's on our lid. Fight me twice, okay? Fight me twice because I love that once I blend it out. Alright guys, so this is the overall final and finished look. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, other than the shade of my foundation not matching. Okay, we already discussed that. Fight me. Thoughts and reviews on this Beauty Bay Midnight palette. I like it. First time trying Beauty Bay and I like it. I love it. Yeah, I love it. Every shade that I played with was very pigmented, did very well. Little kickback in the pan, so just make sure you're tapping off your brushes. In terms of how the shimmer shades and everything look in person, absolutely beautiful, absolutely stunning. I do love me a good shimmer formula. You guys know my favorite formula is the Glam Light formula. So to be the price point that it was and is, it performed really well. It's very beautiful. But in terms of first look back, am I happy? I am very happy. I hope you guys are happy. I hope you guys really did enjoy this video / tutorial, hearing me talk. I hope you guys are doing well. Like I said, comment down below how you guys have been. Chat with me in the comments. What do you guys want to see? Mention on my Instagram live that I want to do Instagram or YouTube or both at the same time, live video where you guys are actually picking my products. I truly appreciate you guys for, you know, holding me down and holding down the J Crew J Fam fort while I was gone, and you guys have been in my trenches with me, fighting through it all, loving it all. And I have to give a shout out to my coworker. She's basically my sister. Like, we actually met at one of my retail jobs and now we are coworkers once again after 8 or 9 years. So it's kind of cool to be back together with her. And she was just like, so, you know, all these unboxings and everything are cute, but when you gonna get back in front of the camera and do a video? And I'm like, I know, I gotta do one. So shout out to her for hitting me up and kind of getting on my throat about not doing an actual video, even though I've been bragging about my new room and all this stuff. So shout out to her. Thank you for supporting me and always being there for me. Thank you for, you know, keeping me together at work and everything. So shout out to you.
Shut your mouth, Wild.
Once again, I am your girl, J Ross. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys bring in more people as I plan to hit 100 subscribers. Well, I already did that. 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year. I want to keep the milestone going. If I can hit over 1,000 subscribers before the end of this year, even better. Hope you guys are staying safe, happy, healthy, and blessed. See, I figured out how to set up my own video. And I will see you guys in my next one. Welcome to the makeup room. I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace!